Go on fire trees.
Oh, that shotgun.
So really,
Damn, I'm a general.
thing of on man.
Yeah, man, they are do the do, man.
So when last year from heavy man?
Tell her the truth, you know. Last week when the DJ talking, you know, say DJ say right now, I'm wait for him share.
You know me about give him a link though. Yeah, give him a link.
I'm right here, waiting on my share. I'm right here, waiting on my share, girl. Out the gate, and I won't be late. I will sit and wait, I'll come prepared, yeah. I'm right here.
Subscribe to New Link YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to New Link YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification. New Links, top vlogger. Big up New Links, cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. You don't know, so they attacking boss. They are New Link from New Link Production. And I mean, say attack. Some people, me know when I say that part of that clip there, you understand when I think it's a movie. No, when I think of some acting scene. No, my viewers and subscribers, you know what I want to do? I want to say why me put that little piece of the movie scene there, other little clip there, other video scene there. And look at now, man. Well, basically, my people, I come for talk about a music video today. You understand, with the song from an artist called Heavy Man. Every man, every people that, yo, the man are going good, the man are going great, the man are going big, the man are like the place, the whole Jamaica people, the whole Caribbean. Me I tell about radio station from Irie, from the Itch, from the whole of them people are run with the man thing, the man song called Waiting on My Share. No joke about it. So you know what I want to know, people, I want to go and look a piece of the song right now, of the music video. You understand? Because I don't see the look acting scene there. No, I want to see the video. No, I want to see the song from Every Man Waiting on My Share. So check it out, my people.
I'm right here, waiting on my share. I'm right here, waiting on my share, girl. Out the gate, and I won't be late. I will sit down, girl. Me having on the plan. You know me mind and me intention. You own me.
Some viewers and subscribers, me I tell you, say the artists are people, and this is why him a go on so good. This is why him a go on so great, because the man thing, his style and everything is so different. So this song, people, titled as me tell you, Waiting on My Share, and basically what the artist is illustrating, people, is definitely telling us, yo, you know, him see a catty, him like the catty people, and differently, him not rush the catty, him a go wait, but him still a go put in place for put in people. Him still a go talk to her, him still a go try to invite her to her, him still a go try to date her, my people. You understand? Every man does say, yo, him a wait upon him share, because differently, people, him want for him piece of the cake, him want him share. No joke about it. Some people want to know all for check it out, my viewers and subscribers. You know, say New Link, me not go be selfish, me not go keep it to myself, people. No, and every man want to know hear it too. Every man want to know watch the video too, and he want to know comment, and he want to know like, and he want to know share. Every man waiting on my share. So all me go to people, leave the link right below in the description so you can easily just come so click, ping. You know what I mean? And go right over there to him thing, my people. Right over there. And you gotta do a please comment and make every man know. So you know, say they are attacking boss and me. And you can't do it without like, you can't do it without share. You understand? Just subscribe to him thing to people. Because so you gotta build up the artist thing, you know. Because the artists are going good, as me tell you. Him are going great. And me have to really big up the Burning Custodio. You understand? You see the producer and then him Fire Trace people, who is the rest of man who no sit on the front of the acting scene, the people. Yeah. Burning Custodio people, them put in the works in this, and the man them think different, because you can know, say, yo, people, the man them do some good work. Because we produce artists like Heavy Man people, because the man thing heavy, the man are going good, as me tell you, the man are going great. And the man are new to the music business, people. This man been doing this thing for a while, but I'm just telling the people, time is the master, and now is the time. Every man waiting on my share. Please remember, people, check below in the description for the link and go over there and do the thing. Every man waiting on my share. It gone, it shot. And follow him on all social media platform, people. Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. Every man. You don't know the thing of my people. Check it out. Peace out. Enough love. Attack them New Link.